Good morning, Mighty Owls. Today is Thursday, September the 24th, 2020. I'm so excited to see you this morning. Today is a D-Day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's a couple things that happened yesterday. 4th grade, oh my goodness, Mr. Guzman and the 4th grade and Mr. Gomez rocked it on the math end of module. Nice job, 4th grade. You got first in the district for your amazing test scores. Wow, you guys have been working hard. We're proud of you. Also, shout out to all of our parents who made sure and turned in and answered those calls so that we could line up our rosters for our in-person school that starts on Monday. Thank you so much for getting that done. Don't forget, tomorrow, Friday, our teachers are going to do some more professional development in preparing for a safe and healthy return of those scholars coming in person. So tomorrow, please go to the teams that your teacher has your assignments on and recordings, and watch the recording and do your assignment so that you get marked as present here, attending for your attendance tomorrow. We are so excited for all of the safe return on Monday. Have a great day. It's a great day for learning. Hoot, hoot!